before we ride the real elevator, as you see right here, this is what used to be an elevator right here. Just a Montgomery A series, but it's unfortunately boarded up. And look upstairs. Look right there. They completely walled it off. Still got the original door frames you see right here. Judging by how small the door looks and based on the design, this obviously had single slide, but I'm not entirely sure. But anyways, we're gonna go ride the real elevator, which is a long walking distance. There's Alex.
Hello.
Also known as Gloose. I haven't seen him in several ages. They boarded this up, so you see.
Yep.
Anyways, we're gonna go ride the real one.
Mm-hmm.
This is at the Research and Operation Building at University of Texas at Dallas in Richardson, Texas. As I forgot to mention, this is gonna be an updated take on the elevators. I'm not gonna do the one at Founders Hall, the freight elevator with a large 2-speed door that has the messed up chime, because it appears that the chime has since been fixed. So I'm just going to film a couple here at UTD, and a lot of elevators here are nothing really that exciting. So if anyone asks me if I'm gonna film all the elevators at UTD, the answer is an automatic no. So I'm sorry guys, if you really wanna see the videos from UT Dallas, watch Alex's video, also known as Gloose. So yeah, I hope you understand that well enough. And I do apologize if my voice is sounding like this because I just got through having some allergies last week or two ago. And thankfully, it's still here. And would you look at that? The lantern is upside down. Adams. Call button's definitely replaced. All right, this time I'm gonna shut the door first, and we're going to start the motor because I want you to hear this thing. In 3, 2, 1. Bell sounds kind of weak. All right, we'll go back down to one end there. This is actually one of the only old and original elevators here on the entire campus. This and including the freight elevator. Well, I'm not sure if the freight elevator is original, but as far as I know, this is safely one of the oldest and completely original elevators on the entire campus. So that is why I'm not doing any other elevators besides this one, because like I said, I'm more into old elevators.
I think I might go for a ride myself.
Okay. There goes Alex. All right. There it goes. And that's it.